Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to disable Google Chrome AI overview on your Chrome browser. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to disable Google Chrome AI overview on your Chrome browser, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Chrome browser. As you can see here, it is showing as AI mode. What you have to do, you have to just click on this three dot, then click on settings, then click on search engine, then click on manage search engine and site search. Scroll down, here you will find site search. Click on add, create the name as Google website or you can set as per your choice. Create the shortcut whatever you want. Then this is the main point. Here what you have to do, you have to just type this URL https://www.google.com/search?q %@udm=14. After typing this, just click on add. After typing this, here you can see three dot, just click on this, then click on make default. Now this has been set as default for your Chrome browser. Now whenever you search anything, it will browse through your Google website, not from AI mode. That's it guys. So in this way you can disable Google Chrome AI overview on your Google Chrome browser. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.